Hey folks, Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Aster floor plan, also known as the Napoli in many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Aster is going to give you almost 2,400 square foot, 3 bedrooms plus den, 2.5 bath. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful layout. So with the Aster, as soon as we walk in, you see it opens up into this great room design. But first, on the left side of the entry, this is where your den is. Now the den could be used as a bedroom. There is a small closet, so you could ultimately use it more as a flex space as well. Just off the den to the left is the owner's suite. So a really nice sized room here. As we come inside the owner's suite, you'll see this large closet, and that opens up really nicely into your main space with the bay windows overlooking your views. And as well, you do have access out to your exterior living from your owner's suite. Now the owner's bath is very spacious. So as we come in directly to my right, you have a linen closet. That's your water closet here. You have the split vanities, the tub in the corner, as well as a walk-in style shower. And then that's going to lead us to the main areas and dining of the home. So on the right side of the entry, as you come in, you have the dedicated dining space here, and the beautiful open kitchen with the wall oven and microwave. This would be your eating kitchen area here. And this all opens up very nicely, overlooking your great room. Now, off of the eating kitchen area, you do have the pool bath. So you can notice a door right here going out to the lanai space. So you have a half bath right here, which is very, very convenient. And you also have a closet, perfect for towels for the outside. Now, last but not least, on the inside of the home, you have the laundry room with the utility sink and additional cabinetry above, and that would be your entry to your 3-car garage. And then we have your guest bedrooms with the guest bath directly in between, featuring a full shower, the commode, and the singular sink. And last but not least, you have the last guest bedroom here. All right, so one last thing, we have the exterior living space on the Aster floor plan. So you've got a lanai that will give you plenty of room under truss here. So really nice size use of the space. And then you can see an example of the pool and how that would lay out with the Aster floor plan. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, we can find it for you at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.